Hi there. Are you enjoying the park today? I'm trying this new app called Agents of Discovery. It's really fun to explore the park, and it teaches you little quizzes about nature and the environment. You haven't signed up yet? I can show you how. My name's Trevor Wursler, naturalist with Geauga Park District, and today we're going to show you how to sign up and play Agents of Discovery. So the idea behind Agents is to move around and find different trigger points, and it'll ask you a question. The one I'm on right now is about animal survival. Which one of these animals caches their food? A garter snake or a blue jay? I'm clicking blue jay. You collect bees and score points, and you get rewards at the end of the season. The first thing you want to do to play is to download the Agents of Discovery app at your app store, or scan a QR code like this. Once you've downloaded Agents of Discovery, it's easy to create a new agent account. Simply open the app, tap Log In, and then you'll tap Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. There, you will create a username, password, and enter your email. If you are older than 13, make sure to check I am older than 13. Then click Sign Up, and that's it. You're ready to play. If you're creating an account for a child under 13, you'll also need to activate that account. Check your email for a verification titled Welcome to Agents of Discovery from Pam at agentsofdiscovery.com. Of course, if you've already created an account, you can simply log in using your username and passwords, and you're ready to play. Agents is easy, free, and fun for all ages. And Tapper and I hope to see you out in the Geauga Park District soon.